And thank you for trusting Natural Doctor Solutions for your health journey. You'll be ready to send in a sample for testing in just a few simple steps. Remember, no physical kit will be mailed to you, so we're keeping things eco-friendly, simple, and straightforward. Here's what to do. First, we're going to label your sample. Please print out and securely attach the barcode to the hair sample bag that you've chosen. Please do not fold the barcode. If you do not have access to a printer, please write out your individual sample code, the ISC, which is a bunch of numbers and letters, and your full name clearly on your sample. If you are submitting multiple samples, you need to ensure that each sample is labeled with the individual person's full name and their corresponding individual sample and barcode. So repeat this process for every sample to ensure proper identification. Next, prepare the hair sample. Cut 5 to 8 strands as close to the root as possible, or 10 to 12 strands if you have short hair, again, as close to the root as possible. Dyed hair is perfectly fine, and you can use pretty much any body hair except pubic hair. Now, to package your sample, please place the hair sample in a sealed bag to keep it dry and secure. Do not send loose hair in the envelope, and make sure to get that barcode in there. Place it in the mailing envelope and apply the stamp or stamps depending on your mailing envelope that you're using. Feel free to use the priority tracking service if you want to ensure its safe arrival. You'll get an email once we receive your sample, and your results will follow in 3 to 5 days. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to email us at support@naturaldoctorssolutions.com. We are here to help every step of the way, and we're excited to partner with you on your health journey. And we'll see you in your results soon. Take care. So this part of the video that's coming up will give you a recap of the instructions I literally just went over, but there's a little bit more detail. So you can watch it if you want. It is totally your choice. Enjoy.
Hi, Dr. Gay here. Let's do a recap and just get these instructions all settled for you. Here's what you're going to need. When you made that purchase, you got an email, and with that email was an attachment for printout. Basically your instructions, but it also has a barcode at the bottom. And that barcode needs to be cut out of those instructions. And we're going to need an envelope, scissors to cut the barcode out, some tape. We're going to need a plastic bag. Now, plastic bags come in many sizes. This one is fine. A little bit bigger is fine also. Something that'll fit in here, a regular envelope. So when you cut out, you ended up with something like this. It is a barcode. It also has your name, and it also has your ISC, which your individual sample code. That's the code that you're going to want that's attached to you. This is not for anybody else. So grab your bag, grab a piece of tape, and just attach it to the outside. The only thing going inside this bag is your hair. And what we want to do is, now, if you don't already have your hair sample, you can do this yourself with just grabbing 7 to 8 strands of longer hair as close to the root as possible, and 10 to 12 strands of shorter hair as close to the root as possible. And then you want to gather up that sample and get it all kind of together and shove it in that plastic bag and seal that plastic bag that has the barcode on the outside. It goes into the envelope. And then you just seal that envelope. You'll see that we've given you the P.O. box, and the city is St. Pete, Florida. So you'll see that. And then you just address it and make sure you put a stamp on there. If you don't have a printer, then just take a small sheet of paper about the size of a business card, and then write your name fully and clearly, please, and your ISC code. So that really long code. So write it real clear. It's gotta have to be clear, you guys. And then attach that sheet of paper on the outside of the sample bag.
Please make sure your name and the ISC code are clear. Put your sample bag, along with the piece of paper, with your name and the code in the envelope. Double check that all the addresses are correct and that a stamp is on your envelope. After we get your sample in the mail, you will receive your results by email in 2 to 3 days.
Thank you for choosing Natural Doctor Solutions.